Okay, so it's day 6 of walking 1,000 miles, and today I'm just in the outskirts. I think I'm going to be going around Stoke Orchard and places like that. Not really sure where I'm going today. I'm just going to follow a route set out by my OS Maps app, and hopefully it takes me in some sort of the right direction. And I've just found the start of the footpath, and it's pretty ropey because there's loads of building work going on, and as you can see there's quite a lot of building work going on, and there's the mud, straight away into the mud. So happy days. 962 miles to go. I think today's walk is about 8 miles, 8.5 miles, if we get it right. So I'm gonna get muddy and away we go. Alright, so they've actually fenced off where the public footpath goes around that field there. So you get into there and then you get stuck and then you have to come back out again. It's nice of them, isn't it? So I'm just gonna wing it across this field. Nice. Cheers, builder guys. This looks roughly in the right direction. Today's walk is going basically across farms, so we should encounter a lot of gates and guesswork today. Popping in hope in the right direction. Quite nice view though. Don't know if you can see that. So that's Nottingham Hill. And there is Cleeve Hill. That's where I was walking a couple of days ago. The Gotherington Loop I did. Hopefully today's going to be another flat day after yesterday's massive winch come to Cheltenham walk. That was there's a few very steep hills in that one. So yeah, I want to keep it nice and flat today, please. But looking over there, it looks pretty flat where we're going, so good times ahead. Okay, it's just gone through a gate, a bridge I should say, and we've got a field, so I'm just going to walk around it. Seeing as it's all planted up. Oh, this is the nicest farmer so far. He's put a footpath right in the middle of his field to walk across. How cool is that? Exactly where the public footpath goes. Very good, sir. Very good. Okay, so we're getting on to the actual farm buildings. Guess we're going to go off left in a minute. At least it's nice and quiet out here. There's no building work going on anymore. So that's good. Oh, and in the distance you might be able to see the Malvern Hills. The Malverns. Great weather for walking, not so great weather for filming. We'll get some sunshine soon, I'm sure. Cool, so there we go. That's the way out of this field into the next one. More lambs. Getting fairly big already. So they've got decent food to eat anyway. Couple of fields. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, that was a pretty little farm. Godwington Fields Farm, I believe that was called. On to the next one. Slightly different when you're walking down bridleways and not public footpaths. Just makes it a bit more messy generally. So obviously horses turf up the ground. Fair enough. I could have just walked down the road, but this is the longer route, so here we are, loving the mud. This, as they say, is proper countryside. Basically just one big muddy puddle. It's getting better all the time, as the Beatles would say. Oh yeah. Ooh, a public footpath. How's about that then? Well, it just takes us back to the road, and we want to go back to the road. So we got more bridleway. Yay! Oh, there's a train going off in the distance. Looks like there's a bridge to go over. We're going to go over the railway track. That'll be nice. See if we can see a train. Cool. There's our bridge to go over. And that. Looks like a pretty beastly freight train. GBRF. Isn't that exciting? The first train of these walks. Fiddington overbridge. Okay. A nice little viewpoint. Hopefully this is the highest point I reached today. It's a nice view around. And there in front of us, it's probably the M5. That road up there. Yeah, I definitely think it's the M5. Right, stop and have some water then while I'm out. Okay. Oh, here we are. Fiddington overbridge. Let's crack on. Can't be waiting for any trains. Place to go. Miles to walk. So let's be getting on with it. So if you want to donate to this fundraising challenge, please do visit gonewalkabout.org and you'll find a nice big donate button which will take you to a page where you can spend your money on some very worthwhile causes. campaign against living miserably and help musicians. There is more information on the website. Please do go and have a read. And thanks for people that have donated already. And thank you if you're about to donate. You can also follow us on social media if you want to keep up to date and see the latest adventures going on the Walk 1,000 Miles Challenge. Oh, some non-muddy bridleway. That's good. That's really good. Right, I think I'm going to go down some more bridleway. Maybe at some point we're going to hit some public footpaths again. Well, there went another train. There's people out there that love them so much, so that was for you trainers. And we're just about halfway. Coming to 5 miles walked, and according to the track there's about 5 miles left to go, so I don't think this is going to be an 8 miler, but it's turned out to be a bit longer, which is good because 10 miles a day is what we want. So let's crack on. Oh my god, what's this? Road. And no mud. We've finished the bridle path. How good is that? Right, let's go this way. See if we can find the next public footpath. Serious cyclist. All the gear. I'll tell you what, it's really annoying seeing those, all the rubbish littered here. It's just a joke. I just can't, I'm not stopping and picking it all up, I can't. I'm walking and I've got to do this, and got time constraints, so I can't stop and pick up all the rubbish. So, plus I don't have a plastic bag with me to put it in, so people just stop littering. I don't get it. Why must you insist on throwing your rubbish out of your cars? Stop it. Take it home and put it in your bin. It's easy. There you go, rant over. Because looks like, please don't be this way. It's going to be this way, isn't it? Hurrah! It is this way. Okay, more Bridleway it is then. More Bridleway it is. Guess what, folks? There's more mud, more countryside air. We've got seagulls in the background. This is going to take some time. I hate it. I don't hate the mud, it just slows you right down. It's really annoying because I'm kind of keeping a good pace, and then you get this. It's pretty cool though. Solar farm. Danger of death. Don't go near. There's more the other side as well. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. We like solar farms. However, we don't like horsey bridle paths with lots of mud. Okay. Right, I'm gonna put the camera down. See if I can just cane through this bridle path, because otherwise it's going to take me ages. I've got like a mile or so of it to go, so I will see you in a bit. Okay, we're off the bridle path and we're coming into Stoke Orchard, which is fantastic. Yeah, so we can find out where to go next. We are back on public footpaths. It's there. Nice fields. Yes. And so Stoke Orchard's got loads of building work going on at the moment. There used to be pretty little houses just like that, and then they kind of just gone, we're going to build houses. Lots of them. But anyway, it doesn't matter to me because I'm going across a field. It's a little bit wet, but it's fine. Let's crack on. Okay, so that was the end of the little field. There's a nice pretty little cottage there. Thatch roof, and we are going this way. Sun setting over in the distance. Just gone 5 o'clock, I believe. Something like that. So it'll start getting dark soon. I think I've got another mile back in, maybe a bit longer. It's kind of the loop back in now, and heading back homeward bound. Nice little stream. Back on the bridleways again. Oh, look up there. Let's get up closer. There's a deer. If you can see up on the ridge. I think he's definitely seen me. He's looking right at me. There he goes. Not sure if you can see him or not. But okay. It's definitely been a muddy day. That's basically what I've had to deal with for the whole of this journey. There's been some nice bits, but it's definitely been mostly battling with the mud. Which makes my journeys a bit longer and a bit more tiring. But it's a journey done, no less. And you get to see it in the comfort of your armchair while I do the walking. And there's another train. Fourth train of the day. And a deer. Well, there you go. The excitement never stops. On Walk 1,000 Miles with Tim and gone Walkabout. Okay, so we have arrived at the railway line. Oh, and there's a train coming, so I won't go just yet. I'll wait for him to go on by. Cool. Up close and personal with the trains. It's just the way I roll. That's why you always look both ways, kids. So, should be nearing the village soon. Okay, first we have to contend with Long Acre Farm. That's a nice one there. Okay, so light is fading, so I'm just gonna sign off from this video. Again, we've got Cleeve Hill in the background. Done a big old feral loop today. Done about 10 miles so far. I've got at least another mile to go, and yeah, I just want to get kind of cracking on with it. So I will let you know how far we've gone today, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for your support, guys. Take it easy.